Hi, I'm Chase Gardner. I'm going to talk to you about protecting the joists and beams of your wooden deck frame from rot and decay by using deck flashing tape. Almost all decks are built with a wooden frame, including composite decks. Any wood that's constantly exposed to moisture will eventually rot, even pressure-treated wood. The key to protecting your deck frame from wood rot and decay is to use a high-quality deck flashing tape when building your deck. Deck flashing tape adds years to the life of your deck. It provides a thin, waterproof barrier protecting the wood from rain, snow, and the other elements. However, not all deck flashing tapes are made the same. There are typically two types, acrylic and butyl. Acrylic tape is less durable than butyl tape. Although it's sticky, acrylic tape cannot seal as well as butyl tape and doesn't provide any flow to maintain its watertight seal over time. Also, it tends to break down when repeatedly exposed to sunlight. On the other hand, butyl tape is more durable and long-lasting. It can be installed in any temperature range, seals better than acrylics, and self-seals once a deck screw penetrates the tape. Trex Protect butyl tape comes with a 25-year warranty and is applied to the top of the joists, beams, and rim joists of the deck frame. It comes in three sizes: 1 5/8" for joists, 3 1/8" inch for beams, and 11 inch for rim joists, stairs, and flat blocked surfaces. Any contractor or DIY homeowner will tell you that it is very simple to apply. I'll show you. We'll start by covering the deck joists. First, make sure the wood is dry and clean. Then, remove the backing of the joist tape and apply it directly onto the joist. The tape is self-adhesive and will seal the wood as you apply it. Run your hand over the tape and firmly press it onto the wood. Now, cut the tape with the utility knife. Follow the same procedure to cover the beams and then the rim joists. Trex Protect has the added advantage of being slip resistant, so it is safe to walk across the deck frame when applying the tape. Deck flashing tape is well worth the small amount of cost it adds to your project. With a 25-year warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your deck substructure will last as long as the deck boards it supports.